Welcome to a new video. Why are you laughing? Dude,
Here we are, the
Cabazo will be ready, the star here? No, of course not. How could you think otherwise?
love it came to
Give to yes? I'm going to tell a little bit of context. When I came to start working on the Z, you'll see these videos soon. Check them out on the channel if you haven't already. But when I came to work on the Z to put in some parts and the handbrake and all that, I went out to test it and it broke down.
There were some issues.
There were some issues. The clutch failed. We didn't know why. Right now in the clutch video, because this video is about brakes. But the point is, I won't make this a long story for you. The thing is, I brought the Z4 to Kavak's workshop, which is here in Toluca. It does Mexico. Does it have social media?
Yes.
I'll leave you the social media here, and I'll leave you Kavak's social media so you can check them out. Because I'm sure that after watching this, you're gonna say, I want that for my car. And Kavak can help you with that. Kavak can take care of it for you. So this video is about new big brakes for the Z4. What do you think? What do you think?
We liked it. I mean, from having one piston, we went to 6 pistons.
I think it's six.
6 big pistons, because it's turning out, look closely,
It's going to need brakes.
It's getting some love, and it needed it.
Brakes, yes, that.
was a must. This
Next in the engine stage,
Now, these brakes were given to me by Jukas. They're from the 135. And they were at my house broken and he gave them to me. It was supposed to be N54 Z4 6 years ago, N54 9, say
and the 55.
N55, then says 65, then total. The brakes were taken, they were at my house. They've been there for 6 years at my house. And Kavak saw them. Now that we were there, he told me, I'll put them on for you. I have someone who can do it. In my workshop we do that. So give me the brakes, I'll take them and put them on for you. And we're at the workshop. The brakes are already installed and I want you to see the difference. We showed them to you before, right, Kavak?
Yeah, now it looks good. To give you some context, what did it have before?
Those are the original brakes.
original, it was just a small piston, that's all. This was the Z's original brake. Did you know that? But
Franciscan, were they the ones who...
See.
nothing else.
Filada?
Original Brembo, same as the one with the 135.
I'll explain all of this to you. Obviously, the brakes on the 135 were gray and said BMW Performance. Or just BMW. I think that's all they said. So Kavak here did me the favor of painting them. See back there, they're painting others.
They were painted here?
In the workshop and put the logo on them. I'll show you. What do you guys think? Let's see if I regret it, guys, with your comments.
We can see there should be a poll there. A poll where you can tell us what you think.
I made a proposal to him, but he didn't like it.
Yes, I loved it. But I'll give you the explanation in a moment. I'm going to leave here below the photo of the proposal that Kavak made to me. They're the same brakes, but instead of Brembo, they said drift and looked great.
We liked it, we really liked it, but I also understand the part about wanting it to look original because they're Brembo. I mean, they should look the way they're supposed to.
Exactly, I think in the end we went with Brembo. They're finished now, you can see them finished. We went with Brembo because it's a really badass brake, that's the truth. I mean, they're insanely badass brakes and they're Brembo. I said we have to flex. So it shows that it has some badass brakes and that it's got the best brake brand in the world. Everybody knows it's Brembo. So if we have Brembo brakes, let's go ahead and put Brembo on them. Let it show. With drift, it looked great. You may have already seen it, but notice how it appears. Now tell us, Kavak, what did you do to adapt them? Because obviously the brakes from the 135 didn't fit the Z4.
The handle has the place where the brakes are installed. We saw that it was the same bridge, it was the same size, but it would throw it at a different distance from where the original disc goes.
Yes, there we had to make a setup to put in a disc that fit exactly with the brake pads we needed that go correctly with the caliper. So install the caliper, the disc, and the brake pads in the correct configuration.
So that it has the height we need. And so that the brake now works properly, the pistons engage, and the rotor runs smoothly without any problems. And we also installed high carbon rotors that will help you dissipate heat better and they'll last much longer.
They're refurbished and ventilated.
We're adding luxury features. It already had hoses, right?
Do the discs come like that? Yes. Because here in Mexico, people have the grooves made for them.
We make them, we already have these. Later, you can mention that it's the one we talked about with a butterfly style and rosette.
That's awesome. They are.
Awesome.
That one was going to be very expensive for me, but they look stupid.
But they're exactly the same. They're high carbon performance discs specifically for this setup because it's going to need brakes.
Yes, sir. Thoughts, guys? Obviously, the reason we couldn't put the 135's discs on it, what Kavak is saying right now is that this is too thin, the 135.
Normally, BMW discs have a very tall hat. So with this setup, it didn't work for us. So we have to adjust the size of the disc to be able to set it up correctly. With the brake pad sitting on it, in other words, making a perfect sandwich and working properly. The caliper isn't changed at all, nothing about it is modified. Sometimes we need to build new bridges. What did we ask? Okay, still, the original one turned out great. So sometimes we modify the bridges, we make them all out of aluminum or steel, depending on what's needed. But to adjust the brake distance so the disc aligns properly with the pad.
All right, that's it, brothers. What about the red one? The red one looks kind of, I don't know, it looks a bit weird on camera, but it's just right. The red one is just right.
It's the red, now yes, it's the Brembo red. Yeah, literally. We also set up L.
Pantone.
So look,
They removed the little screws here since it was painted there.
El May from the corner.
You already know I'm a YouTuber who paints the discs. But anyway, this is perfectly well done.
Everything's perfect.
And that's it. They're already bled and everything. Can we take it for a spin now? It's ready.
Take it for a spin, him.
The problem is, that's the problem with taking it for a spin. Look. Now you might be asking, why the heck do you have these drifter rims? What did I miss? I asked myself the same thing just now when I saw it. Guys, what happened to those rims?
Dude, there was a change there. There was a change. There was...
A little trick there?
The four of us recycle, spin, and maintain rims improvements.
Right now you'll see it in this video. It's not here, but it's on its way. He has a Series 3, and I told him, well, put them on and let's see how it goes. So the Drifter's rims already have a new owner, and he sent them to get painted, and they turned out really cool. I'll show them to you right now. But I want Alonso Drifter to see just how it looks. Look at the difference. See how the rim fills it up, how the rim fills it up.
Just to clarify, these are 17 as this rim is 17 inches and works perfectly. The rims that had 19s, yes. And the idea is to put something between 18, yes.
But
We're checking that with 17, there's no configuration problem.
so if you have a BMW with 17-inch rims and you want to do what I did, you see there's no problem. I mean, it's the whole gap.
I love this. Wow, it's awesome. It looks rough yet beautiful.
Yeah, it looks full, functional.
And that's very important.
That's important.
How will it turn out? Do you need brakes?
Yes, I do, and sometimes I don't have them. So then, at the very least, it should hold on tight. Whew. All right, let's take some shots of it and try it out. Let's take it for a spin, because honestly, on video, I can't really say like, oh, damn, I felt this way back then. But let's take it for a spin and see how it feels, right? All right, for now, what matters to us is that it looks impressive. Let it break, let it break. We'll see if it actually breaks or not. But the point is that it looks like it does.
Solid. They are?
Brutal and the slotted disc, hyperventilated. The rear, did you see that I already installed the handbrake? This one I did. What do you think? Should we paint it or leave it black?
We're analyzing it right now.
The change. We're here because it's small. If we make it red, it'll look lame, but if we leave it, it gets lost. If we make it red, you'll just see two calipers, which is also cool. And the Willwood ones, well, yeah, they're Willwood Panda.
It looks classy, yeah.
That one does look classy. Now I like some rims, thanks Cavazos.
There, please, we're waiting. Send us rims there.
We're here. I'll leave my account number so you can send.
Because we really need something nice because it's already getting some love.
All right, now for real,
The one you needed.
A lot. That's right. That's right.
It's coming together. Everything is coming together.
Why do they doubt the kid? I'm about to prove them all wrong again. I have little patience because they don't even know their problem. It's me. You're just waiting for me to fail. Now, hold your breath and face your death. You're playing roulette. With each step, I progress no less. Go ahead and place your bets. We're on top despite your hate, and it ends here. I'm launching like a rocketeer, unstoppable. Strange they can't see the future, but spot profit here where I always win.
Here are the Z's rims, brothers. That's how they turned out. In this car with 3,500 horsepower, Kava went a little overboard with the tires. Just a little, that's all. Yep.
Is it because we like that? That's the proof?
Yeah, huh? We
Like it. We like it.
It's already his...
It's his second ship.
It's his flagship, his style, Terranita. Hey, but they painted them. They look so good, dude. Makes me want to step back, dude.
They look good. I like them. Yeah.
They look awesome on him. They...
Are going to run out of popsicles, right?
That's true. Is he going to miss his big break? No, but this tire is the original from the Z. Well, the one I had.
It was almost perfect.
You can see it. It's missing some height, but the width is fine.
Perfect right there.
Hey, I actually like the color. Yeah, I really liked it. I saw
A lighter one, just a bit lighter, a little more silver.
maybe, but they don't look very good on it.
I liked it more. I liked it.
Terranator mask. Yes, upload this one.
A little higher.
Don't they look great, bro? That's Kavak's 911. It's stunning. Really stunning. And the drift is barefoot, right? I haven't shown it to you yet because I want to make a video, but they lent me this new RS3. Look, I'm just gonna show you something. Check out the seats.
Please no, even this car is amazing. I'm gonna make a video for you. I have to make a video for you.
What do you think about the dark taillights? Guys, let me know in the comments. Because honestly, I don't like them. But Kava says they do look cool. Do you guys like them or not? Would you take them off or not? Honestly, I would take them off. Especially if the car is gray, the taillight just blends in. I told him he should have worn some white or clear ones like those. I really like them. If this one had clear taillights, it would look nicer. In the upcoming video, but let's see, whoever tells me, right? But do the brakes feel really good? Cavallo? Honestly, it brakes well.
The pedal feels even really good.
Let's see, it's been 7 years since I drove the Z, but yeah, I mean, I do have a bit of a reference.
Did you switch from 1 to 6 pistons?
Yes.
I mean, yeah, you can feel it. They feel really good. Honestly, the brakes,
You really needed it. How do you stop it? It pulls you in.
yeah, it pulls.
It moves pretty well.
And it doesn't have, sometimes because we're crazy.
Important point.
So just imagine you don't have ABS and you have a little piston. That's good, very.
You plan to brake in 3 blocks.
Brother, yeah, it gives me peace of mind knowing I already have it. I feel comfortable. Now, if you guys want to do something crazy with your brakes, contact Kava.
There he is.
He really nailed it, huh?
We'll guide them. Thank you, brother.
And it tells you the size, like what kind and everything. You tell it, I want this, and it tells you it's going to be expensive, right? But can it adapt it for you? Yeah, exactly. One thing you can't mess around with is the brakes.
Exactly. That's what we were telling you. You have to do things right. Take care of your safety. Do it. I mean, if you're going to make a modification at that level, do it with professionals who know what they're doing and who can prove that it really works properly.
And things cost money, they do. That's the reality. I mean, if they have to put some discs on you, they put Corvette discs on me. They put Corvette discs on me. Now I have that Corvette frame, you know?
Yeah, we had to set up the right configuration there so it would work.
Yeah, I told him, do whatever you have to do, but make it perfect because we don't want to mess with it later. Exactly. So, yeah, an excellent modification for the Z. And well, that's it. You'll see us in the next video.
A video that will be good.
Good things are coming. It's been a while since you last said that.
Yes. But look, the soap opera is getting really good, huh? Yeah? Stay tuned.
Thank you. No, what a mess.
There we are.
See you in the next one, guys.